Hey students, it's Mrs. Nice. So I want to show you how to use the speech to text accommodation since you are working on your on-demand argumentative pre-assessment. So when you start a Google Doc to use speech to text, all you would do is you would go up here to Tools, and then you would go here to Voice Typing. And the first time you use it, when you click on it over here, it's going to say, are we allowed to use your microphone? And you're going to want to say yes, that's how it works. And then to use speech to text, you just click on the little microphone and talk at your normal pace. And for punctuation, you would say the punctuation. So at the end of the sentence, you would say period. If you want to go on to a new line, you would say new line. So let me show an example of that to you. So I'll click the microphone. This is an example of using the speech to text feature on a Google Doc. Now I'm realizing I forgot to put a period. So I could go ahead and add that in. Now, when you are done, of course, you want to go back in and you want to edit things. So if any words are underlined in red, that's indicating that something's wrong. If it's in this like black color, that I think is a grammar one. And there you go. If I just right click on this, it says, do you mean this? And it needs hyphens in it. And then for Google, no, I actually want to keep Google capitalized. So you could ignore some of the suggestions too. Here, the period should have been closer, and then there we go, it looks good. So a really important function if you're going to use speech to text is that when you're done, you read back through it and you correct any spelling or grammar errors before you submit it. Hopefully this helped you with this feature. One last thing really quickly, I believe that this only works if you are accessing Google Docs through the Chrome browser. So if you're on a different browser like Safari or Firefox, I don't think this is going to work. So go ahead and use Google Chrome instead. And of course, as always, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me.